Alright guys, this is a quick video on how to set up your t-shirt document, okay? And I am working in a newer version of Photoshop. This is 2020, so it might look a little bit different with some of the tools. Okay, so right now I'm going to hit Create New. And then the size needs to be 11 inches by 14 inches, 300 pixels per inch, RGB, 8-bit, white, okay? And then you're going to hit Create. Okay, once you've got your document created, okay, so realize you don't have to necessarily have your design go all the way to the edge, but this is going to be, you know, the area that the screen printer or the DTG can, you know, actually print on. So in this space, I want to decide what color is the blank of my t-shirt. So if you have white, it was already set to white, and I just left click on my foreground color, and then as far as your maroon color, the RGB value is going to be 144, 0 on the green, and then it's going to be 40. So that is going to give you the BC maroon, and you're going to hit OK. Use your paint bucket and left click in there. So now I've got the maroon color filled in. Now if we're into gray, I can just left click over here and then choose, do I want a lighter gray shirt or do I want a dark gray? Okay, I'm going to stick with the maroon here. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer. And you're going to want to work in layers and make sure that you're building things on layers. Okay, probably the biggest comment that I saw regarding the t-shirt designs were you need to do something more as far as a graphic. So you really need to start thinking about what images can I utilize that are iconic to BC. So you know, when you look around the school, there's a lot of great stuff that is inside the schools that they've archived and kept track of. The buildings themselves, the trophies that have been won, you know, any of the uniforms that are in the display cases. You know, there are fellow students that you can take photographs of, and then you can utilize that within your design. So you would need to go out and take some photos of things and then come back, and then you need to go ahead and either email the photos to yourself or upload them to your OneDrive and then download them to your desktop, okay? And then you can start placing them in the Photoshop document. So that's basically how you need to get started today on your t-shirt design. So this video is here in my BC and you can watch it.